Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, now let's talk about variable. Variable, we use variables temporarily stored around computer memory. For example, we can store the price of the product or someone's name, their email, their age, and so on. Let me show you. So to declare a variable, we started by typing a name for that variable. Let's say age, and then adding an equal sign, say 30, 20. So with this we're storing number 20 somewhere in our computer memory, and we're attaching this age as a label for that memory location. So now we can read the value at the memory location and print it on the terminal. So you want to print the value of the age variable. So say print adding a parenthesis and the type is. Note that I'm not adding quarters, because if I run in this program we'll see the text and the age on the terminal. We don't want to that. We want to be value of the age variable, so don't use a quarters. And print the value of the age variable. Now here on toolbar you can click on play icon or use a shortcut shift F10. So there we go. Now you can see the value of the age variable. Now you can also changing the of a variable. For example, line 2, you can see age adding equal sign, say 30. So as you can see, our program get executed from top to bottom. So in this area you can change it to 30. So this is how we can declare and using a variable. Let's look at few more example. So I'm going to declare another variable called price. Alright, let's talk about variable names. A variable can have a short name like S and Y, or a more descriptive name, age, car name, total value, and so on. Rule for Python variable. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. Variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and underscore like A and Z, 0 and 9, and so on. Variable name are case sensitive. Age using a lowercase or using a uppercase. There are three different. A variable cannot be any of the Python keyword. Example, say my using equal sign, adding a quarter quarters, double or single, say inner, and then say my adding a underline, but adding equal sign using a quarter, single or double, say inner, or use a underline in the page, say my underline and bra, adding equal sign using a double quote or single inner, or using a small and using a uppercase like uses a equal sign, uses a single quote or double oh my equal sign equal sign using a double or single quote, or another example, part 2 uses for equal sign, uses a double quote or single. All these are a variable name, can use it for a certain typing in variable. So alright, let's talk about variable assign multiple value. So one value to multiple variable, and you can assign the same value to multiple variable in one line. Example, x adding equal sign, y adding equal sign, z adding equal sign, adding double quote, say banana, and then print, say adding a print, use a parenthesis, say x, and adding a print, adding a parenthesis, say y, and then adding a print, adding a parenthesis, say z. So go to the toolbar, play icon, using a shortcut, and run the program. So in here you can run my program, still and banana. So that is a multiple variable value. Alright, let's talk about attribute variable. Attribute variable, the Python variable parenthesis function is often used to output variable. Example, say x, adding a equal sign, using a double quote, say phython is awesome. Then here I can use a print, adding a parenthesis, say x, and go to the toolbar or using a shortcut, say print. In this here you can print my program. Python is awesome. So in the frame parenthesis function, you output multiple variables separated by a common example. Say x using a equal sign, using a var code, say phython, and then adding y, adding an equal sign, say is, and then say z, adding an equal sign, using a double code, say awesome. Let's run a program, say print using a parenthesis x y z, and go to the toolbar and running our program. Now down here on the terminal window you can see Python is awesome. Okay.